Nobody fret, nobody ball. God up in a heaven I go answer you. Nobody fret, nobody ball. God up in a heaven I go answer you. Yeah, greetings, greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series, Miracles, Signs and Wonders, through Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're working to build with faith because faith comes by hearing and hearing by the word of God. So if you want more people to build them faith, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one person today. And if you don't do it yet, know the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss anything that's happening right here every morning, 5 o'clock Jamaica time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 8 from verse 40 to verse 56. When Jesus go back to Galilee, one crowd of people did wait for him. So them did glad to see him come. Same time, one man named Jairus, we in charge of the Jew them church, come kneel down in front of Jesus and beg him to come in yard. Him did a beg Jesus cause him one and uncle girl Pitney did a dead. She did about 12. When Jesus did a try to go a Jairus yard, the people them did a press against him. One woman did it. We a bleed for 12 years. She spent everything she have pan doctor, but none of them couldn't get her better. She come up back at Jesus and touch the tail and clothes. Same time, she tap bleed. Who touch me? Jesus asks. Everybody say I know them, but Peter say, but teacher, one crowd of people round you are pressed against you. But Jesus say, somebody touch me, man. Me know, cause me feel power gone out of me. The woman's sister, she couldn't hide. So she drop herself at Jesus' foot a tremble. She tell Jesus where make she touch him and how she get better same time. She tell Jesus this in front of everybody. Jesus tell the woman say, daughter, cause you believe in me, you're all right now. Go on with peace in your heart. Jesus did still attack when somebody come from Jairus' yard and tell Jairus, say, your girl Pitney dead. No bother the teacher again. When Jesus hear what happened, him said to Jairus, no bother afraid. Just believe and she will get better. Jesus never make nobody go in a house with him. Uncle Peter, John, James, and the picnic father and mother one. Everybody did a holler and a ball cause the picnic did dead. Jesus say, who no ball? She not dead. Asleep, she asleep. And the people them start laugh off of him cause them did know say she dead. Jesus take the picnic on and say, get up me picnic. Her spirit come back in her body and she turn up same time. And Jesus tell him to get her sitting for nyam. The picnic mother and father did shock so till. But Jesus ordered them no fi tell nobody what happened. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.